Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and we need to film my December 2024 empties, the last empties of 2024, and I've just not been feeling great. I'm tired, I'm not sleeping well, my head hurts, my back hurts, my neck hurts, so this is how we're doing it today in my fun little rosé sweatshirt, nice and comfy. There's not a lot this month, so let's just go ahead and get chugging through. First item is from Paula's Choice. This is the Calm Nourishing Milky Toner. I usually go ahead and buy this one over and over again because this one tends to be the cheapest, and this one's for some reason always on sale. I don't know why. But yeah, I like it. It's good, does the job. Any of their toners is good, honestly. Just if you are vegan cruelty free like me, check the FAQs to make sure it's not one of the ones on the list, but yeah. Good toner. Another Paula's Choice skincare item. I actually just finished this one. This is the Omega Plus Complex Serum with chia and flaxseed. I think this was a free with purchase item. I don't know that I'd go out of my way to buy this again, but I would absolutely use it again if it came with a purchase again. It's a pretty good little serum. It's a nice little like extra layer. It's not necessary, but it's a good bonus. So yeah, it's really nice, and it smells a little odd, but you gotta kind of take odd smelling skincare with a grain of salt. Like, at least they're not adding fragrance and adding irritable stuff in there, so I'll take a weird smell. Next item, this is Be Coherent Solid Shampoo. I haven't been using my solid shampoos recently with all the damage I do to my hair. They're just not the best to travel with to keep my hair from falling out of my head, to be honest. So I've been using them as like shave bars in the shower, and this one is alright. It's doing a okay job. Nothing too crazy. I guess I can't really give like an actual review because I'm not using it in its intended use, but it's working well for shaving. And speaking of keeping my hair in my head, this is probably my favorite product that I have began using since doing constant damage to my hair. This is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. So you just get your hair wet, you wring it out, and then you put this in for like 10 minutes before you do your shampoo and conditioner. This really does change the quality of your hair. It keeps it soft, keeps it from tangling, keeps it from getting dry and brittle. This is just really good stuff, and I will constantly repurchase this. I guess we'll stick on the hair theme. This is from Nourish Mantra. It's the Advanced Hair Growth Serum. Did I notice anything from this? Not really. I don't think my hair's growing any differently than when I was not using this. So I'm sure it was nice and conditioning for my scalp because it's got some nice oils in it. I don't know if this actually did anything. From Drunk Elephant, I love the pink, I used up the TLC Glycolic Body Lotion. This is the one that has the 10% AHA blend with marula and shea butters, and I liked this. I would absolutely use it again. I think it was a really good lotion. I preferred to use this at night since it's got that AHA in it. I don't want to like go out in the sunlight with all that, but I thought it was a really good product and I would certainly repurchase it. Kind of random, but I switched out my razor head. I used the Athena Club ones, so just kind of random. I like that razor. I finished up the Goldfaden MD Solution Lip Therapy Restoring Lip Treatment. This is the one I kept on my nightstand and would use every night, and it is very thick and nourishing. This is actually a really good product. The only Goldfaden MD product I actually like. I don't know that I'd go out of my way to repurchase it because I have 10 million little lip balms right now to get through, but it was really good. I actually think I have another one of these to get through, but I've got other stuff on my nightstand right now. Solid product though. Kind of random, but I was cleaning out drawers and found this. This is the Style Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser, and this was not good. I had to use so much of this on just a single brush to get it to really get in there and clean. So I think I have another packet of this. I might give it away because this wasn't very good. I had to engage a different cleanser to get the brushes really clean. I have 5 of these commodity like fragrance samples. So I have every level of gold. And I really thought gold and then the other one I'm going to tell you about, velvet, would be the ones that I loved based on spraying them on the tester strip. But these, they didn't feel like much of anything to me. They're not bad, they just didn't feel like me, and I thought I really liked them, but I didn't. So I've got every level of gold, just not for me. I've got the the lowest level and the middle level of velvet. I gave the Velvet Plus to Austin because it smelled like something he might like, so that's in his little drawer, not drawer, his little, what is it called, a jar, his little jar of fragrance samples that I decided I don't like and give to him. So yeah, gold and velvet, not for me. And the last 2 items are complexion items. So the first one is for the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Triple Protection Skin Tint with Goji Berry SPF 30. So this is very old. They haven't carried this product in a long time. I've just been trying to get through it, and I think I've gotten to the point where the bottle just isn't working anymore. I know there's more in there, but it's just not like distributing it. So I'm going to get rid of this. Sometimes I'd use it just on its own and put it all over, but I've been adding tinted products into my daily SPF moisturizer lately, and I've really liked that. So that's what I've been doing with this, and I liked it. You can't get it anymore, so there's really no point in me even giving you this review, but it was all right. Jerry and Fran are behind me playing if you hear any noise. And then the last item, this is my Shelley Dermaceuticals Hydrate 3-in-1 Super Serum Light Moisturization SPF 30 Sheer Dewy Coverage. So I know a few of you had mentioned in the comments that you found this incredibly drying on your skin. I did not find it super drying, but me personally, I had a different problem. It's maybe kind of weird or maybe unique to me. I don't know, maybe some of you experience this as well. Put it on and be going throughout the day. I'd like, I don't know, feel a tickle, go to scratch my face, and like it would just start balling up and falling off. Like it was peeling off, which was really weird, and I don't feel like dealing with that. So I'm gonna pass this on to a friend, see if maybe she has a better experience with it. I'm guessing it just doesn't in the long term play well with my skincare. So these cats, they're so funny. There's like a little toy right here they're playing in. Anyway, yeah, gonna pass that on. And that is all of my empties for December 2024. I hope you guys had a wonderful new year and a wonderful holiday if you celebrate any of the December holidays. And I'm really glad you've tuned in and stayed with me throughout the year. So hopefully 2025 is engaging and fun. And I have to apologize for not like putting out a ton of videos, but life has just been really crazy lately, the past like 5-6 months. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, I'm going to go to our random number generator and pick the winner of our giveaway. So I only got 2 comments, so I put in the generator 132. So let's see who's gonna win. Looks like comment number 1. So Christy, you have won. I'm gonna comment to you here. Go ahead and message me on Instagram and we'll get you set up with your gift. So congrats to our winner. Like I said in the last video, it's probably gonna be the last giveaway for a very long time. But I am excited that I was able to do so many of them. I think I did like 4 or 5 maybe. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.